Have you ever wondered what your plastic bottle, your toothbrush, or your plastic chopping board is actually made of? What do we know about the composition of these daily use items? Plastic is a complex material. A chain of monomers creates the polymer backbone, but this polymer chain is not alone. Plastic also contains a wide variety of other chemical substances. Unreacted monomers from the polymerization process, residual processing aids that ease the production, non-intentionally added substances such as impurities created during the manufacturing, and lastly, the most abundant and diverse group is the additives that provide specific properties to the plastic, such as fire resistance, transparency, and flexibility. All these components can be released from plastic at any stage of their life cycle, from production to waste management, including all the uses we can give to plastic objects. This leads to human and environmental chemical exposure. More than 16,000 chemicals have been identified in plastic products, and more than 3,600 cannot even be assessed due to their ambiguous or unknown chemical composition. But the big problem shows when we discover that hazard information is lacking for over 10,000 chemicals, and more than 26% are chemicals of concern. One of the most popular additives, and that you probably heard about, is the bisphenol A, or BPA. But do you know why its use is so controversial? BPA is an additive commonly used because of its multiple properties. It makes the plastic more durable, thermally stable, splinter-resistant, and transparent. All these qualities make it attractive for daily use products, such as drinking or food containers and baby bottles, for example. BPA has been classified as an endocrine disruptor. It has been linked to reproductive issues, neurodegenerative diseases, and other health concerns. Sometimes we tend to assume that everything we buy in the stores is controlled and regulated. I mean, if something was toxic or harmful for our health, it would not be allowed in the market, right? The reality is very different. In 2020, the global plastic additives market was $48 billion, and it is expected to grow to more than $75 billion in 2028. Therefore, to move in the right direction, where life is protected from plastic chemical pollution, 3 steps are essential in plastic production. Remove chemicals that are already known to be harmful, to be fully transparent about what plastic is made of, and simplify their chemical formulas. As consumers, the best we can do is to reduce the use of plastic.